Yo, what up, guys? This is Josh Diaz here with a video of an unboxing of the twin pack edition of the Sonos One SL. The SL stands for speechless. I think I read it online. I'm not sure if it's true. But Sonos has ones, and then they have One SLs. Just the only difference is this one, it won't have Alexa, Google voice, or the Sonos voice assistant. It's just the speaker. I'm going to be adding this to my the Sonos Beam Gen 2 that I have a video up of, so check that one out. This is going to create a full surround sound. I'm really excited. So let's just see. I did get this at Costco. Costco sells the twin pack, so you just got some instructions. We have a box protection here, and here we go. Just gonna open one speaker for you guys. So let's get that out the way. And here we go. The speaker comes in a nice little cloth to protect it. And it's really nice. You see the One SL sticker here. Really excited to be getting some surround sound in the living room. And here we go. Now this is the shadow black one. This is really nice. All right, see here you got the speaker grill front on the top, no microphone, and we have the volume down, volume up, and play pause, and the indicator light on the bottom. Got some rubber grips so nothing will slip or fall, and we have the power right there. Power cable will go in and be flush at the bottom, and on the back we have, this is to the connect button, and there's a little Ethernet port if you want a wired connection. So it's really nice. Got some good weight, solid. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to set this up with the Beam, create that surround sound. All right, guys. So I got the speakers all set up, unboxed, and I did the True Play tuning. As you can see, I got one speaker over there, and I got the other speaker over there. I have a small place. Just a one-bedroom apartment. We're moving soon, but just for now, this is the setup I got. I have these speaker stands I got on at Costco, and they're set up behind the couch. Ideally, I would rather have them a little bit further back from the couch, but just for the situation we are in now, this is the best I could do. So right now, I'm just gonna set up the camera, my phone, and we're just gonna check out some trailers and some Xbox gameplay just so we can see the full Dolby Digital 5.1 surround sound. And I know from a phone it's hard to tell, it's way better in person, but just to give you guys an idea of how it sounds. So let's go.
But I never imagined any of this.
Do you know what you are?
I'm a superhero.
What the hell? Good morning, aviators. This is your captain speaking. And we're off. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
We're going into combat on a level no living pilot's ever seen. Not even him.
You think up there you're dead. Believe me.
My dad believed in you. I'm not gonna make the same mistake.
Someone's not coming back from this.
Those are your pilots. Anything happens to them.
Smoke in the air! Smoke in the air!
You will never forgive yourself.
No turning back now. Come on! Oh, jeez! Having any fun yet?
Life is all about leaving something behind, isn't it?
Come on, Bond. Where the hell are you?
don't do this, there will be nothing left to save. I have to finish this. You ever flown like this?
Nope.
Hey, girl. You think what I'm thinking? Genetic power has now been unleashed.
You can't put it back in the box.
If I don't make it back, remember you're the one who made me come here. I'll be all right. These creatures were here before us. And if we're not careful, they're gonna be here after. Welcome to Jurassic World.
Alright guys, I just showed you some trailers and some gameplay, and I just gotta say, wow, I do hear the difference just from going from the Beam 1. I've had it for about maybe a month or so. Just adding the One SL's surround sound, it makes a big difference. I don't have the sub yet, but we're gonna see. Maybe when we move out, I'll add the sub just to get it the experience even more better. But just from gaming, it really stands out a lot. Just from, as you can see with Halo, you can see people shooting behind you from your left, your right. You hear grenades falling and blowing up and exploding behind you. It really makes the experience more immersive. And with the movies too, if there's like a shootout scene or like a fight scene, you can hear like the punches right near your head. So it's really good. So Sonos did a great job. I'm loving it. The setup was easy, smooth. Guys, so let me know what you think. Sonos, I think it's expensive, but I think it's a good investment. But guys, thank you for watching. Check y'all later. Peace.